Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming just like a chill, chatty makeup tutorial. I haven't been in my film setup probably, I don't even remember the last time that I filmed in my whole lighting and my background and stuff. So it feels good to have everything set up once again, all my lights on, my camera just like in one place. And yeah, I kind of just want to like do some makeup. Lately I've been feeling really unmotivated with makeup and I don't really ever want to put it on my face anymore, but today I'm really wanting to try some out. My face is finally healing from whatever breakout that was. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, so obviously my brows are already done. I have them microbladed, so we're just gonna get straight into the eye makeup. So I'm first going in with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, and this is in Fair Neutral. I'm just gonna use that as an eye primer. And using the Japanesque Beauty Sponge, it's dampened. Okay, and then today I wanted to try out the new Aspen, Ovard, and Tarte collection palette. So it's a pretty neutral palette with like pinky undertones. It also has a blush and a highlight. I really just wanted to try out the highlight, so that's kind of why I'm doing this palette. So I think I'm gonna stick with kind of neutral eyes and then do a darker lip since I haven't really been experimenting with lip colors lately. So I'm first gonna take this color called Married Life, and with this fluffy crease brush from BH Cosmetics, this is from like their Marble collection. I'm gonna use that color to set my lids. Then taking the color Tea Time with that same brush, I'm just going to buff that into my crease. Wow, this is blending out really, really nicely. Okay, and then wiping that brush off a little bit and taking the color High School Sweetheart. I'm just gonna run that along the edges of that color, just kind of blending things out a little bit more. Okay, and then with this color Brilliance and this little flat concealer brush from the same BH Cosmetics brush set, I'm gonna use that as a brow bone highlight. Okay, then with this color Road Trip and this smaller crease brush from BH Cosmetics, I think I want to do kind of like a halo eye today, so I'm gonna focus this on the outer corner and the inner corner, blending it like up into my crease. All right, now with this color Heart of Gold, I'm going to put that on the center of my lid just using my pointer finger. And taking that little crease brush, I'm just gonna kind of blend those two colors together. Wow, very pretty. Okay, and then to add just a little bit more sparkle, I'm taking the Stila Cosmetics Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is in Smoldering Satin. I'm just gonna take the wand straight onto my lid and just go in the very center and kind of blow it out a little bit. Okay, and then taking the Stila Smudge Kajal eyeliner, and this is in Intense Black. Going to tight line my eyes really quick. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner using the TheBalm Schwing eyeliner. All right, and then I am going to coat my lashes with the Scuba mascara by TheBalm. And then putting on some fake lashes, I'm using the Black Magic lashes, and these are in Slayer. Okie dokie, now that our eyes are done and looking fabulous, it's on to the face. So I'm gonna prime my face with the TooFaced Hangover Primer, one of my favorites. Okay, and then for foundation today, I'm using the NYX HD Studio Foundation in Nude. Probably my favorite drugstore foundation by far. I'm just gonna dot that all over my face and then blend that in with the Japanese sponge. Okay, and then I'm gonna cover up my under eyes and any blemishes that I have with this Urban Decay concealer. Okay, now that everything is covered up nicely, I'm going to do a little bit of cream contouring using the CYO contour stick in Sweep into Shape. And just using this flat like foundation brush from Rouge and Rogue. Okay, then I'm gonna bake a little bit underneath my eyes and on my smile lines with the Kat Von D Lock-It Translucent Powder. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use this big fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics and that same powder, also wiping away the bake. And then bronzing up my face just a little bit more with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, just using that same brush. Then we're gonna try out this blush in the palette called Made You Blush. Okay, wow, that's really pigmented. And then for highlight, going in with this color called Pure Soul and this little like duo fiber brush from that BH Cosmetics palette or brush set. All right, and then just setting my face with some setting spray. I'm gonna try out the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. I always love Cover FX's setting sprays because it has the little ball in the bottle. Okay, and then to finish off the eyes, I'm gonna add a little pop of color in the waterline. I love doing this. It's like one of my favorite things to do with makeup. I'm using the Urban Decay 24-Hour Glide On Pencil in Vice. And then taking the color Endless Summer, and I'm gonna put that right on my inner corner. And then taking the color Tea Time, also using this like flat, fluffy shader brush. I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. Then with the color Road Trip, with that same brush, I'm just gonna focus that like on the outer edges of the lower lash line. And then coating my lashes with some mascara. Okay, and to finish off the look, we're gonna do a bold lip. Today I'm using the Ofra liquid lipstick in the color Manhattan. Okay everyone, that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you liked the video. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long, so this kind of feels a little bit foreign to me, so I'm really happy that I ended up doing this. And yeah, leave any requests for any videos that you want to see down below. I'm kind of like, I don't know, I'm having a hard time coming up with video ideas, so feel free to leave some suggestions down below. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.